At first, I thought there was no way that this keyboard can be priced at $100. But when I hands-on and start typing, man, this thing is actually pretty interesting. And also, I have to say, the RGB effect on this keyboard is also amazing, which I will show you later in the video. And with that being said, let's review this bad boy today. It comes with the dust cover with the Akko logo on it, which is pretty nice. When we don't use the keyboard, we can cover it so it won't get so dusty. Then the keyboard itself is wrapped nicely to avoid the damages. A user menu with a lot of functions to learn. It also comes with a switch puller and a keycap puller. Then we got 4 extra rubber plate holders. And then it's my favorite things right here, which is the 25 piece of extra keycaps. And all of them are made with the same material, which is the double shot PBT. The whole case is in white PBT material also. There are no logos or words that you can see when you place the keyboard on the desk. On the right hand corner, there's the knob to control your media value, also the brightness of the RGBs. But as you guys can see, it's in the different color and materials, so it's kind of not matching to the keyboard, but it's an easy fix because it can be swappable. On the back of the keyboard is the USB Type-C port for charging or the wire connections. On the bottom of the keyboard, there are 4 rubber feeties, 2 adjustable levelers that can set the keyboard into 3 different typing angles, and our USB dongle is stored right here. And this keyboard offers 3 connection mode, which is 2.4 gig, Bluetooth, and also by the wired. This keyboard can be used on the Mac system too, but sadly there's no extra keycaps for the Mac. And the keyboard is 75% layout, which has 82 keys in total. The keys profile is the ASA, which is really comfortable with any angles of typings and all that. The keycaps are made with the PBT material, which is really durable. And the painting is double shot, which means the legends or the letters on the keycap won't be worn away. And with the white keycap, it makes the keyboard looks really clean and also professional. And all the keycaps can be upgraded or changed it with no problem. They are very easy to be taken off and put back. I already switched it to the blue keycaps, which looks really unique and cool. The switches are called Akko CS1 in white, which are tactile, and they are more clicky and bumpy than the linears for sure. And if you like more feedback from the keyboard when you're typing, choosing the tactile is gonna be a better choice. I thought the switches on this keyboard is already pre-looped, but after checking, they're not. All the switches on this keyboard is hot swappables with 3 pins and 5 pins. And I have put information on the screen just in case you need those. With the tactile switches, keyboard is definitely louder, but with the nice structure with it, the typing sound, it's actually really good. Beside the typing sound, my other favorite thing about this keyboard is actually the RGB effects. Even though the RGB is facing north, they create this fantastic lighting effect with this wide keyboard case. And the coolest thing about this lighting effect are these 2 light bars on each side of the keyboard. They are just too unique to have and to be looked at. It's so beautiful in the dark room or even in the bright room. And now I'm gonna show you some of the nice effects. Overall, I think this keyboard is a really well worthy investment for your $100. And I will recommend it to anyone who wants a really nice keyboard and it won't hurt your savings account. Let me know if you will get one of these or you already have it. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And that wraps up everything in today's video. Thank you for watching, and as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.